Hi, greetings from ING. Today, we will continue teaching how to develop some components. Therefore, we will start with Autocomplete. This is a UI functionality where by taking data, the system gets values that match with the text written, such as dropdowns data day by filter with a text input. Autocomplete has several applications like speeding up to look for data, minimize the grammatical errors, enhancing the UI by making an easy filter. You can see insert engines, registration form, database manipulation, email, or e-commerce. Then, let's go to code. The first step is to create a new element to manage the logic. Once it's done, we use the same logic from the data table video to manipulate the data where we create two arrays and we set the complete data and the initial data for this case. We should limit the length by using the slide function. As we mentioned in the previous video, we create the function filter where, using the filter method, we take the data necessary to work. Don't forget to use the lowercase function for having the same format for both tests. Due to in some cases the data can be repeated, we use the math to eliminate duplicates and just follow one time the value that matches between array and text input. Also, we limit the values to display the sign variable to display the filter items. Now, in the HTML file, we start to make the UI where we add a row and assign the margins and columns. In this point, we use a list and items to show where we create a condition to display the data by using an ng4 cycle. We repeat the item several times according to the slide function. Now, if you want, you can add some custom styles in order to tailor the UI. After that, we create a function to manipulate the data that we select in UI. This function is called inItems with a click event. Also, we add the logic doesn't display the values. It's time to test. Therefore, we go to add component and we call the component. Now, we can start the project. As you can see, we filter the values. However, we want to increase the complexity, and now we use best alternatives to manage the data. Also, we remove the custom styles to display something more elegant, and we add the event to remove the visibility. So, we start by including the forms module. It's necessary to restart the Angular server, and we create an object to relate to input field. Then, we remove the event to disable the visibility and incorporate the object with the current value by using the ng model and the object that was created. Finally, we add an event that sends data by using keyboard events. Therefore, we use this event to listen when X key is keyed up, and based on this event, we manipulate the component visibility. This is the final result. We hope that it's useful for you. Also, please subscribe and follow in social media. Thanks.